let's take a look at the weekend weather. Helen Willetts is here. Helen, I've never wanted to go diving in a shark cage, and now I never will.
No, nor I, Fiona. And the weather is not as terrifying, so you can relax now. Beautiful weather watcher picture here from Leek. It's just the autumnal colours that caught my eye here. A lot of cloud, but at least it was dry. And then in St Brelard in Jersey, the lovely crepuscular rays coming through the clouds, so some sunshine around. And we weren't depleted of sunshine today, actually, some of us did see it, but it was a wet day again across the east of Scotland. And look at this, marching its way in from the west. We've got rain coming in from the east, so if you like, we're being squeezed from both sides with that rain. So it's going to be a fairly wet night for some of us. Heavy showers in the south, that rain creeps up into eastern Scotland. Still that gale force east wind for some of us. So in between, yes, a little bit of mist around, and in the southwest later on it could turn quite chilly, but what a miserable start to our day it looks for Scotland tomorrow. As for the weekend, for most of us, we'll all see some rain. I can't promise it'll be dry all the time. There'll be some sunshine. It's not going to be a washout, but we're losing that easterly wind, so it won't feel as cold. Although it will, unfortunately, for Scotland. That's the exception to the rule tomorrow, at least. That bracing easterly wind, perhaps some drier spells towards the west, but driving rain here. Some of it still for northern England, some showers coming into Northern Ireland, northern parts of Wales, those ones that come into the south through the night, they push northwards, allowing the sunshine to return. Some sunshine returning after the early rain further east as well. So, as I mentioned, there will be some sunshine. We lose the east wind, so it'll feel quite pleasant, actually, out and about. Not for Scotland here. Only 12 or 13 degrees in that bracing easterly wind. Some really intense downpours coming in later to the south, hail and thunder. But in some sunshine, we could have 16 to 18 degrees Celsius. So not looking too bad Saturday. Sunday is looking a little bit more showery in the south, but actually the north, Scotland, after a really wet and windy day tomorrow, looks a bit more promising, Fiona, on Sunday.
I'm glad to hear it. Helen, thanks very much. A reminder of our main story this evening.